start and do just a little bit of a warm up. So if you're teaching this to somebody and they don't have tap skills, it's basically Cheyenne. You can use this for teaching too, but it's just have them start and do walk and walk and walk and double time, walk, 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 double time, walk, 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 walk. So you've just got people changing weight. There, and then there's open, close, open, close, open, close, or ball change, back, front, same thing, just a different pattern, front, back, front, back, and front, okay? So, basics, there are two places in the dance that repeat, and they repeat with slow, slow, quick, 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 slow. You have to open your feet and channel Gene Kelly, up and down, and slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. For those of you who've been doing this, I'm going to turn it around, which just shows you that I'm a real dance educator or masochist, depending on how you want to look at it. So slow and quick, 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 and quick, 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 and slow and quick, 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 slow and quick, 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 quick. All right, so got it, dance people and Katie and Cheyenne and anybody who has recently done this. If the audience is here, Carl's plants, aren't they lovely? Okay. When I did it, we started facing back. And we started facing back without the umbrella. I'm going to not do the umbrella to begin with. And the first one, it goes do 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 turn do 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 do, and you can turn whenever you want to on that. Then you have splash water, splash, toe back. If you're a dancer, you're going to just turn around clean, and then here, if turning is not your thing, you just have to do splash, step, out, hold, okay? So that would be the introduction. The very first step is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cross, step, step, hop, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, hop. All right, if you're a tap dancer, you would do full lap, ball change, full lap, ball change, flap, cross, 2, 3, hop. Flap, step, ball change. Let's pretend that I'm hopping. 1, 2, 3, hop. Facing back. A little bit. Sing. Then in the rain, just sing. In the rain, hop. All right. Non-dancers. Kick, back, side, front. Kick, back, side, front. Tap dancers. Hop, shuffle, back, full lap, full lap. Hop, shuffle, back, full lap, full lap. So, all right. Question? Question? So if I'm doing it from the front, if I'm facing here and I'm doing just the outline version, step, step, 1, 2, 3. Step, step, 1, 2, 3. Kick, back, side, front. Kick, back, side, front. All right. Here's the augmented version. Hold on a second. Sorry. All right. Full lap, ball change, full lap, ball change, flap, cross, rock, rock, hop, full lap, full change, full lap, full change, cross, 2, 3, hop. All right. Augmented version, hop, shuffle, back, full lap, hop, shuffle, back, full lap. Kick, back, side, front, kick, back, side, front. That's the outline. All right. So the next part, you have to imagine you're jumping in a puddle. And if you're doing the outline version, you just jump in a puddle, flick the water, cross, jump, flick, cross. And I'm flicking with my left foot. So the outline, the simple version is puddle, splash, cross, puddle, splash, cross. All right? So if you add that to the beginning of the outline version, it goes step, ball change, cross, 2, 3, and. Step, ball change, cross, 2, 3, and. Kick, back, side, front, kick, back, side, front, puddle, flick, cross, puddle, flick, cross. Then you do it again. Step, ball change, cross, 2, 3. Step, ball change, cross, 2, 3. Kick, back, side, front, kick, back, side, front, jump, flick, cross, jump, flick, cross. If you're a tap dancer, when you do the puddle jump, you're going to come down toe, toe, heel, heel, which of course you can't hear. Morgan or somebody, can you do that on the floor, Cheyenne? But just toe, toe, heel, heel. So I mean, yeah, do that again. See, that's so you're going to make that sound. Down, kick, full lap, ball change. Thank you, dear. All right. So do that again, Morgan.
Okay, you want the whole thing?
Yeah. Oh, see, that's so pretty. I like the movie. I want Morgan to do all the taps for me for the rest of my life. That's how I want
don't know about
that. So tap dance version. First step, I'm singing in the rain, just sing and in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. Sorry, you have to listen to me sing because we can't figure out how to sync the music up to I don't know, it's asking me if I want to do something now or later. Okay, so, all right. Next step is the second verse. If you're looking for this particular version of Singing in the Rain and you Google Singing in the Rain lyrics, it'll come up. It's a 3-minute and 6-second version of the song. So once again, Google Singing in the Rain lyrics and it should pop up. If I can find it, anybody can find it. So the second verse is, let the stormy clouds chase anyone from the place. And it starts, the simple version goes, stormy clouds chase. So it's just a walk, open up, back, step, back, step, back, step. Tap dancers, ball, change, ball, change, ball, change, ball, change, ball, change, ball, change. All right. Morgan and that may be different than what you've been doing, which is fine.
Yeah, we did basically the first version, the step, 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 step,
Yeah.
change.
It gets to be fast, and it depends on how much space you have and if it's slippery and other elements. But so let the stormy clouds chase, and then you're going to step 1 step looking back, 3 steps front, 1 step, one step. So it goes step, rest, step, ball change, step, rest, step. This is one of the trickier steps, and then it's pull, rest, ball change, step, 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 step. So if you're a beginner, this is a little bit of a tricky step. So you have step, look away, step, ball change, step, step, and then 1, 2, 3, moving, 1, 2, 3, rest, and I pull my foot back, front. All right. Easy version, step, rest, step, step. Or step, rest, ball change, ball change. Or step, rest, ball change, ball change. The key to that when you're teaching it, if you're teaching it, it's very hard for people to remember to go back, front, back, front. Step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. This is where I know I'm 70 years old, because I could fall on my head at pretty much any moment. But so if I do, I'm just gonna go like this and get up and start again. Or as Fred Astaire says, pick yourself up, dust yourself off, start all over again. But that's another class. Okay. So tap dancers, let the stormy clouds chase, flap toe heel. So you're going to add to that, flap toe, heel, flap, ball change, flap toe, heel, flap, step, step, ball change, rest, back, front, step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. All right, if I'm doing tap dance version, let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. And on this, you have smile on my face. Up, down, just kick. That's the beginner version. Smile on my face. And of course, you must have a smile on your face because the lyrics say so, okay? So, if you are a tap dancer, and there's hopping involved here, so forgive me, you guys. It's flap, hop, brush, step, flap, hop, brush, step, flap, hop, brush, step, flap, hop, brush, step. So I would have, let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. All right. Walk down the lane with a happy refrain. So I'm going to turn left and right, and that's the important thing to remember. So for me, I have this stuff to my left, and that's all I'm going to see. All right. So I have 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Turn left. 1, 2. I'm going to turn the same way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And I repeat. Flap. I repeat. Kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. Or tap dancers. Flap, hop, brush, step, flap, hop, brush, step, flap, hop, brush, step, hop, brush, step. So if you start with the lyric, walk down the lane, if I had my umbrella in my hand, and I'm not focusing on umbrellas because obviously there's some issues here, but if I do, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. And as I go down, it's like going down, turn left, going down, turn right, going down, turn left, going down, turn right, going down, turn left, going down, turn right, kick, kick or flap, hop, hop. All right? So let's take the whole thing from the beginning, which of course people won't remember, and that's okay. But I'm going to start here. Tap dancers, you would be starting facing back and move to the front. 2, full lap will change, full lap will change. Left toe, heel, heel. I'm going to just do it facing the audience, which are these delightful plants that Carl spends so much time with. So I've got do 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 do. I'm singing in the rain, just sing and in the rain. This feeling unhappy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone, the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing and dancing in the, I think it's singing in the rain. All right, augmented version, shuffle, jump, knock, step, knock, step, knock, step, knock, step. Decide with your class whether or not you want to say front or back based on the knock or on the shuffle. In other words, some people, if I say front, not back, back, not front, front, back, I have to put the knock in there because it's confusing. So the shuffle, so from the perspective of the shuffle, shuffle, jump, knock, step, knock, step, knock, step, knock, step. Simple version, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I think I just did the augmented version. I'm going to do the simple version from the top, see if it's clear. Jump in if anybody has questions, okay? So, do, step, ball, change, step, ball, change, step, rest, step, ball, change, step, ball, change, step, rest, step, ball, change, step, ball, change. You don't want to turn, scuff, step, cross, hold, and sing, and in the rain, just sing, and in the rain, what a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk, turn left, the lane, turn right, with a happy refrain. Just singing and dancing in the rain. All right, this is about halfway through the dance, okay? Next part. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, turn, step, step. Tap dancers, you can turn twice. I'm only going to do once. I'm going to pretend it's because I don't have enough room, but it's something else altogether. So full lap, full change, full lap, full change, full lap, full lap, If I had my umbrella, this is where I mime. Full lap, full change, full lap, full change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, here. I love the rain and. All right. In the that's just a reference to Jean loving to get wet. Okay. So open, open, turn, turn, step, step. Over, over, I love the rain and. This is almost a repeat of one of the earlier steps. Simple version, ball change, pull. All right, it goes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not right. Full lap, ball change, full lap, ball change. Turn, 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 turn. Here, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Step, ball change, pull, step, step. This is a repeat. Step, ball change, ball change. Tap dancers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Turn, turn, step, step. Let's just delete that little back part because I'm jumping ahead here, okay? So turn, turn, step, step. I love the rain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, a drum roll, drum pull, ball change, step, step, ball change, pull, back, front, step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Okay? We're almost at the end. Just two parts left. So step, 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 step. Or step, pull, step, 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 pull, step, step. It's like you're splashing with puddles. Step, pull, step, step. So I have flap, step, pull, ball, change, flap, step, pull, ball, change. Simple version, step, 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 rest, step, 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 rest. Step, pull, ball, change, step, pull, ball, change, step, 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 rest, step, 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 rest. Or right, stay, left, right, left, stay. Tap dancers. That piece is step, shuffle. Whoops, let's do it again. So I hit a shuffle. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. And anybody who's learned this, the tendency is to do step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, jump. So the hard part is to stay on the same foot. If I start with my right, I'm going to stay on my right at the end. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. All right. Then this is the part in the dance where he's just dancing in puddles everywhere. So it goes step, ball, change, step, ball, change. Or if you want to even simplify that more, step, rest, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, rest, face, front, step, step. Go up, go down, up, down. Pretend you're walking on a tightrope. Walk, 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 Pretend you're losing your balance, which for me right now is very easy. Here, 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 jump, okay? Tap dancers. You're gonna do flap, step, ball change, flap, step, ball change, 4 steps, turning to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm facing the corner. Now I'm going to go out on an imaginary circle, full lap, ball change, full lap, ball change, sit into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next corner. Imaginary circle, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up, go down, go up, go down, walk, 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 balance, 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 jump. All right? So let's go back and take it from here. Walk down the lane. So I'm going walk down the lane. This is the augmented version of the happy refrain. Just singing and dancing in the rain. I'm laughing at clouds. I'm not sure if this is the right lyric. Here, here, ball change, pull, ball change, step, step and pull, rest, step, 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 shuffle, ball change, full lap, pull, step, step, full lap, pull, step, step, full lap, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, full lap, pull, step, step, full lap, pull, step, step, full lap, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, up, 2, 3, hop, okay? Full lap, ball change, sit, turn to the corner, up, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time, bring it to the front, go up, go down, go up, go down, tight rope walk, and balance, 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 jump. Kick, back, step, step, kick, back, step, step. That's the simple version. Hop, shuffle, step, full lap, hop, shuffle, step, full lap. Everybody does this the same. Step, splash, side, close, step, splash, open up. Again, step, splash, side, close, step, splash, open up. So if you've been watching and it's just overwhelming, which is just fine, this is the part where all of us do it together. So it goes, once again, step, splash, side, close. Step, splash, open up. Step, splash, side, close. Step, splash, open up. Now you have to pretend there are puddles. Part of the reason that I love this dance is the fact that, well, hang on a second. Why now? Somebody comes in and asks for something. That I love my mother dearly. She was a nurse and she was always worrying that we were going to get pneumonia. So, you know, she was constantly making us put on coats and sweaters and all kinds of things. And when it rained, we were not allowed to jump in puddles because we would get pneumonia. So in college, I didn't see this movie until I was in college my freshman year. And I was so delighted that puddle jumping was okay. So to this day, I jump in a puddle just, I have to say, sorry mom, but there's a puddle that calls to me. So here you must channel your puddle jumping skills, and you do splash, 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 splash. Shift the other foot. Splash, and it has to look and feel like you're in a puddle. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. All right, and you should end up facing front. Get rid of that thing again, honey. It keeps popping up. It says, do I want to do something that's saying later? All right. Sorry, you guys. Technology. So if I were facing you when I did this, instead of facing back, it would look like this. Splash, 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 splash. And each one should get bigger and more fun. Then all of a sudden you realize somebody might be looking at you. You look right, you look left. All right. Actually, you look up. You shake the water off your foot. Like you say, this is water, not, it shouldn't look like dog do. Okay. So just a little bit of this, a little bit of this. And you would do, I'm dancing and singing in the beginning step. Do 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 do. Now look, I don't care who's watching me, it doesn't matter. And you can turn back. Those of you who have done that turn know that that can be tricky, or you can just do look who's watching, who cares, ta-da, or ta-da, anything. This is where I would put the umbrella. Look who cares, shrug, turn, ta-da. The umbrella takes the focus at the end. All right, so if I do that from the back, everybody, augmented or simple, does step, scuff, side, close, step, scuff, open, up. Step, scuff, side, close, step, scuff, open, up. Puddles, puddles, bring it to the front, 2, 3. Left, 2, 1, 2, 3. Last time, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Up, look, shake off the water, shake off the water. You're gonna put your toe back. I'm dancing. Look front again and singing in the ba-da-da, da-da-da-dee-da-da, da-da-da, turning to the front and the da-da-da, 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 da-da-da. Look, shrug, turn, ta-da. All right, so that's the whole dance. Very fast, I know, but it's 9 o'clock, so we got it in a good half hour. Well, I can't really do it with the music because it's not in sync, is it?
Try it.
I'll try it. But I think there's a international lag in Wi-Fi. Hi, Hugh. It's so good to see you.
Good to see
Just
you.
like moments ago that I last saw you, right?
20 years, 21, 22 years.
All right, wait a second, I have to start it again. Time just flies, doesn't it, Hugh?
Yeah. I wish it did, but it does.
All right.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark.
Is there a delay, you guys?
The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I will smile. happy refrain. Just singing, singing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain.
Those are shuffles in case you want to know. I know my neighbor likes it.
I'm dancing and singing in the rain.
Spin. Ta-da. Okay. All right. Phew. That was so much easier 20 years ago. So, I don't know. Let me just quickly show you where umbrella things go. But not with the music. All right. So, generally speaking, I would have an umbrella that isn't one of the collapsible umbrellas. It would be just a regular umbrella. And I would start out here. And I'm now going to do with the audience towards this way. I'm now facing upstage or back of the auditorium. And I let the first two do, and then I start to come to the front. Splash, back, turn, hold, open the umbrella on your shoulder, turn. Here's where you want to keep the umbrella on your shoulder tight, because if it's here, if it's back here, you knock each other over, and it's a terrible Carol Burnett comedy routine. All right, first step, one, I'm going to do the simple version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Lean, lean, 1, 2, 3. Kick, step, 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 kick, step, step, step. When I jump in the puddle, my body's going to go down, but my umbrella is going to go up. And you want to extend it as much as you can. And then when you flick, you come to your shoulder, step, ball, change, jump, flick, step, ball, change. Same step, step, ball, change, 1, 2, 3. Step, ball, change, 1, 2, 3. Kick, back, step, step, kick, back, step, step, jump, up, 1, 2, 3, jump, up, 1, 2, 3. Stormy clouds chase. Put the umbrella here, because the wind is blowing you. Storm, clouds chase, that's the augmented version. Look away, and when you look away, the umbrella is a full circle. Look away, look front, make sure your umbrellas are all the same. Look away, lap step, step, pull, step, back, front, step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. All right. So the next part of that, I can't remember where I am now. So full step will change. Stormy cloud chase. All right, again, let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. Back to the shoulder, singing and dancing in the rain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, D. Da, 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 bum. Hold on with both. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change. Pull. Step. Step. Pull. And back. Front. Step. Shuffle. Ball change. Ball change. Ball lap. Pull. Back. Front. Lap. Pull. Back. Front. Full lap. Shuffle. Step. Shuffle. Step. Shuffle. Hop. Shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, repeat twice, step, 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 up, step, step, full lap, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop. If you're doing this on stage, you have to be cognizant that the umbrella is in here because it'll throw a shadow in your face. And as I like to say, your mom and your agent has to be able to see you. So you want to be back here. This is the hardest part of the umbrella, okay? So I'm going to do full lap, full change, full lap, full change. I've got the umbrella over my left hip. Then I put my left hand at the very end of the umbrella, slide my right hand up to the top of the umbrella, put it here, and keep it really close. Step, 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 step. Then I slide the umbrella, right hand down to the end of the umbrella, up, cross. I put my left hand, the umbrella's on my left hip, put my left hand on the end of the umbrella, slide my right as I bring the umbrella over here. It's like a shield. Step, 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 step. Full lap, full change, full lap, full change. Left hand at the end of the umbrella, slide, step, 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 step. Go up, go down, go up, go down, walk, 2, 3, 4, balance. Can you see me? Balance, 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 jump, hop, shuffle, step, full lap, bring it back to the shoulder, up and down, step, step, close it tight, step, step, open it up, and then puddles, 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 puddles. Second time, 2, puddles, 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 puddles. Look up, shake the water off, up. I'm dancing. The umbrella's gotta be a full circle here. And singing all the way front in the do-do-do. Who's looking? Who cares? I don't. Turn. Ta-da. Okay. Some of you got to dance, people. I think we did umbrella down and then turn. But I don't think that that's absolutely necessary. It's a tough ending. So there you have it. I'm going to go sit down in front of the computer, and then anybody have any questions, or anybody left? Anybody still here? Have you got that, Vic? How's that, Barb? So is that akin to what you've been doing, Barb?
Pretty much.
I want you to notice, step back, Barbara. Barbara has her DC Dance Collective t-shirt on.
Yes.
That That warms my heart. Do you have one on too, Marcia? Yeah. All
I
right.
don't.
All right. Well, I still have mine somewhere.
Yay, Karen.
Where's Karen?
Yeah, look, I got one. Oh, it's all frozen. Sorry.
I know, it's really nice. Morgan, did you want to do it with taps? I know you're dying to, aren't you?
Can certainly try.
All right.
If
Well,
anybody else wants to, I'm more than happy to share the floor.
Why don't we do it a couple times with the gallery view so everybody's on screen for the recording so that we'll see everybody at the same time.
all right. And if anybody doesn't dance or doesn't want to, you can sing. Or if you have your umbrella, it's not bad luck to open your umbrella if you're doing Singing in the Rain. I read that somewhere. Or if you buy that at the bridge for you in Brooklyn. But you know, I can face away. How would this work, Keith? Explain it to me again.
Everybody
I
can
want to
set
hear
themselves-
Morgan's taps. What?
Everybody can set themselves to gallery view.
Easy for you to say. But go ahead. Everybody set yourself to gallery. What Hugh said.
Got it.
Do you want me to play the music so that way my
Yeah.
things line up?
Yeah, no, that would be good.
Okay.
I would like to just watch and take some pictures, because if I don't have pictures of this, how will I make 3,000 posts on my?
And I expect all the Gotta Dance ladies to be dancing too.
That's it, no
I'm gonna
pressure.
hold you accountable.
I can take a picture for you.
There'll be a test. No, there won't be a test.
Okay, we ready?
Wait a second. I don't know if I can't record that long. That's the problem. So I'll take a couple. All right.
Okay.
But I only have some view. I don't have all of you across here.
Gallery.
Where do I hit gallery, honey? Well, come here. Where's gallery, Morgan? Or Hugh or somebody?
In the top right corner, there should be, if you hover over it, it should say gallery view. And it looks like a checkerboard.
The checkerboard. Oh, yeah. It says gallery view. Hit that.
So click on that and it should pop up everybody.
Oh, look at this. Oh my God. There you all are. It's very exciting. All right, wait, I have to take, everybody look into the, hi, Savvy. Wave at us. Savvy was the last person who learned this dance. Tracy, where are you? Is Tracy still here? She may have gone away. And she was the first person who learned this. Okay, all right, so everybody wave at me. All right. Oh, I love it. This is so exciting. All right. Oh, Deanna, there you are. How are you? All right. So Deanna showed up, and anybody else new that's here that I haven't seen? All right. I guess I've seen all of you. All right. So should I do this sitting down, or we're going to follow you, Morgan?
Whichever. I think if they're going to be hearing my music, they can still look at you. And in the gallery view, you can see everybody.
Okay. Katie's got her umbrella out. So does Annette. Very exciting. Notice Annette's, look at Annette's umbrella. It's got clouds on the inside. Is that cool or what? I have that. It's just in storage in Washington State. Oh, I want everybody to know, O has hot pink and black tap shoes and is actually not using them. We have to wait till the children grow up, I think. All right. Hi, O.
I still have them.
Yeah, well, good, because you're not off the hook. I mean, just because you have two small boys doesn't mean you're not going to pick up your tap career again. That's for sure. So, all right. Well, so I'll just stand up and face which way. Show me which way I should dance. Andrew's got her umbrella. Is this
Yeah.
good? Okay.
I think that's good. All right, ready?
Yeah, okay. As ready as
What
I'm
a
gonna
glorious feeling.
That's not the beginning.
I'm singing in the rain. Yes, singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. And the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain, dancing in the rain. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. Dancing and singing in the rain.
Who's looking? Who cares? Umbrella. Ta-da. Okay, that's